Hello, it's me again. Um, Sorry I look like absolute hell. I haven't got any makeup on or anything, so yeah, and I'm in my panda pajamas, which are really cool. Um, I'm doing my 2 weeks follow up now. Well, it's 13 days, but I'm at work tomorrow, so I don't have time to do a video tomorrow. So I'm doing my 2 weeks now. But I don't feel like I'm gonna feel much different tomorrow anyway. So I do it today. Um, yeah, so this week I think I did my last update on my 7 day, and I was feeling still pretty crappy. Um, on Monday, so that was on my 10 days, I had my follow up with the nurse, and that basically just involved driving up to Birmingham, up to the clinic. She had a look at my stitches, checked that there wasn't any swelling, just had a look and checked that everything was okay. I told her about how I'd been having the stabbing pain on this side, on my right hand, and she said that that was pretty normal because I'm right-handed. That's my dominant side, so the muscle's going to be thicker on that side, and it probably would have had more work. There was probably, and it's probably just because that muscle's stronger, it's going to hurt more on that side. So I am actually still getting more pain on my right hand side. And for 2 weeks, I'm thinking, oh, this is taking so long to just not have that pain. But on my left hand side, I'm absolutely fine. There's no pain whatsoever. It's just on my right hand side, if I like lean back too quickly or move my arm in a certain direction, I'm still getting stabbing pain on my right hand side. But yeah, the nurse said that's probably gonna happen up to like 3 weeks. I'll still be getting that. So yeah, I'm still recovering. Not as speedily as other people on YouTube, but sucks for me. Um, yeah, so that was my visit to the nurse. She said that she wanted me to go in to do another follow-up check on my 14 days, but I have to be at work, so I've kind of skipped that one and just hope that everything's just going to carry on as normal, and then I'll do my 3 week checkup next week. So that's how I'm planning on doing it. But yeah, so I've also been to see my GP, which was on Wednesday, so that was on my 12 days, just to get a second opinion and just to make sure that, I've seen a doctor as well as a nurse and that they're happy that what the nurse said was right. And I went and saw my GP and she was happy. She said the stitches look like they're healing up really well. There's no tenderness and there's no signs of infection. Like the skin and the muscle isn't hot or anything. So if there was an infection, you'd start to see swelling and there'd be sort of heat around the area. So that's something to look for really. But I haven't noticed anything like that. So and I also asked the GP as well about the pain on this side, and she said she agreed that's probably normal because essentially each implant is like a separate operation, so you should treat them as two separately healing operations, and one side is just going to heal quicker than the other. It's always going to be that way. So yeah, so I'm kind of just, I really want my right hand side to just hurry up and catch up now. That's all really, because I'm getting tired and just getting exhausted of sleeping on the sofa in the living room and um, popping pain meds because they're making me, I don't know, itchy and whatever. But I don't really like taking medicine, so I cannot wean myself off. But I didn't take any painkillers today. I'm just a bit stiff really, and the pain isn't constant. It's nothing but painkillers could help. If I do get pain, it's just a sudden stab and then it's gone. So I've actually stopped. Today was the first day that I didn't take anything painkiller wise. I know that lots of video logs on YouTube find that people stop taking their pain meds like a week after, but that hasn't happened for me. I've had to keep on top of them up to 2 weeks now. So, but I'm thinking that tomorrow, as of today, I don't need any pain medication. The only thing is, I'm going back to work tomorrow, So I might want to take something tomorrow just so, you know, I don't have to worry about it and I can just do what I need to do and not have to worry about whether I'm going to hurt myself or not. So, yeah, don't know what else to talk about really. Everything seems to be going fine. My next catch up is going to be in a week's time. And yeah, I've talked about pain meds and I've talked about everything there. But yeah, I'll do a quick show of how everything looks now, just so you can see how it's all going. So yeah, I don't know if you can tell any difference, but I was saying, you know, in the last video, everything looked really like high and stuck on. If I pull this down a bit, you can see, I think maybe a little bit from last week, it started to drop down a bit. They're not as high profile as last week. They are starting to settle into the muscle a bit better, which is a relief because I was, you know, feeling last week that like they looked really fake, so that was a worry. But I'm wearing this a little bit looser now as well, because this really wasn't helping with the pain. Yeah, I'm happy. I don't know if I'll be happy tomorrow after work because that's going to be hard going, but we'll see. So yeah, that's my 2 week update, and I'll probably do another one in a week's time. So see you later.